Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The moment is finally here. We've got the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in the hottest color of the year, Cosmic Orange. In this video, we're not just unboxing this beauty, we're going hands-on with that massive 6.9-inch display, testing the insane 8x zoom camera, and seeing if the all-new aluminum unibody design and A19 Pro chip are worth the upgrade. So make sure you're subscribed and let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the box. Apple has kept it clean as always. Sliding it open, and the first thing we see is our Cosmic Orange iPhone. We'll power that up in a second. Wow, check this out, it's so lovely! At first, I wasn't a fan of the color, I'm more of a midnight blue person, but after I actually saw and held it, I think it's pretty cool. It's vibrant and makes a statement. It's definitely something I'd never wear before, haha. And for the contents, it's the same minimalist approach, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and that's it. As you know, the power adapter is sold separately. Now, let's talk about this design. First off, this Cosmic Orange color is absolutely stunning. It's deep and vibrant without being too loud. The big news this year is the new heat-forged aluminum unibody enclosure. Apple says this helps with performance and battery life, and it feels incredibly solid in the hand. It's also got the new Ceramic Shield 2 on the front, which is supposed to have 3 times better scratch resistance and a 4 times more crack-resistant ceramic shield back. The weight is 233 grams, which feels substantial but balanced. You still have the action button and the new dedicated camera control button, which is a game changer for quick photo sessions. Time to light it up. This is the 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display. Now, powering all of this is the new A19 Pro chip. Apple is touting up to 40% better sustained performance, thanks in part to that new unibody design, acting like a vapor chamber to dissipate heat. For you and me, that means no more slowdowns during long gaming sessions or heavy video editing. Just look at those colors and sharpness. It has ProMotion with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, so everything is buttery smooth. It also gets incredibly bright, up to 3000 nits peak brightness outdoors, so visibility in sunlight should be no issue. Just like every time we get a new phone, we've got to set it up first. It's super important and can't be skipped. Okay, now I need to sync and transfer data from my old iPhone. Transferring data from my old iPhone to the new one was a breeze. Just follow the instructions, and in no time, it's all sorted. Easy peasy. Now, a phone this beautiful and expensive needs protection, so I picked up a few cases to show you. First up, the classic, transparent, clear case. This is my go-to for any special color. It's super simple, it's thin, and it completely maintains the look of the cosmic orange. You get all the beauty with basic protection. Next, I have this transparent case with a black line border. I really like this one because it adds a bit of contrast. The black frame makes the orange color pop even more, and it often has a bit more grip and a raised lip around the screen and camera for better protection. It gives you a more defined, polished look while still showing off the phone. But no protection setup is complete without a screen protector. I always get a high-quality tempered glass screen protector on day one. I'm not taking any chances with that beautiful ceramic shield to display. This one I got has an easy installation frame, which makes it foolproof to apply perfectly without any dust or bubbles. It's the best insurance policy you can buy for your phone. Boom. Perfectly applied. Peace of mind achieved. I also snagged a case with a 58mm filter, so I can use my trusty normal filter from my mirrorless camera with it, and even use it with my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Plus, I can switch out the filter to like a polarizer, ND filter, or UV filter with this case. I bought this online, and I've included the link in the description. If you're interested in buying it, just click on the link. When I'm serious about photography and video, I got this, the Telesin Master Grip case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. This thing is built for creators. It has a comfortable grip and a standard tripod mount thread on the bottom. This means you can securely attach it to a tripod or a gimbal without any bulky adapters, making it perfect for stable shots, long exposures, or vlogging. We have a triple 48-megapixel system on the back. The star is the telephoto with an 8x optical quality zoom. Having that Telesin case with the grip already makes holding the phone at max zoom so much more stable. The new camera control button feels great and is perfectly positioned when the phone is in this case. It's a game changer for mobile filmmaking. I'll be doing a full unboxing and review video on this Telesin Master Grip, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. And speaking of filmmaking, with a 48-megapixel camera that can shoot ProRes video, you're going to need a lot of storage. That's why I also grabbed this Hiksemi Sync-C S450 256GB USB-C SSD. This little guy is tiny, but it's super fast with USB 3.2 speeds. I can plug it directly into the iPhone's USB-C port and use it to offload photos and videos or even record directly to it, freeing up the phone's internal storage. It's an essential accessory for any power user. Battery life is claimed to be up to 39 hours of video playback, which is insane. And with USB-C, I can quickly transfer my 48-megapixel photos and ProRes videos to this Hiksemi SSD in seconds. keeping my internal storage free and my workflow smooth. So, final thoughts? The iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange is an absolute powerhouse. The design is refined, the display is gorgeous, the battery life seems incredible, and the camera system, especially that 8x zoom, is a real game changer. If you're looking for the ultimate iPhone experience in 2025, this is it. But what do you think? Is Cosmic Orange your favorite color? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.